Okay, ito yung problem. Siyempre, yung mga taga rito, hindi naman sanay na maraming tao. So ngayon, feeling nila na di-disrupt talaga yung peace and quiet place nila. Camera set?
Sorry, may naririnig na audio.
Oo nga eh.
Ayun lang po, wait lang po.
And sound.
Quiet.
Motor.
Speed. Market.
Action!
God.
Yeah, so much better right here.
Tapos ano, mag-video ako, post ko sa TikTok ko. Okay, ito yung problem. Siyempre, yung mga taga rito, hindi naman sanay na maraming tao. So ngayon, feeling nila na di-disrupt talaga yung peace and quiet place nila, so irereklamo. When they do that, they will make a stop and maybe stop filming. And we don't want that to happen. And I know you understand. Wala rin kayo mapapanood na pelikula kung nangyari yun, diba? But there, ang totoo, dapat paalisin kayo. But I don't wanna do that. But we have to meet halfway. You cannot stay out on the streets. Ito ang location natin, kung pwede bang maging tahimik tayong andito sa lugar na to, and only that because these are the only two houses that allowed na magstay kayo. So if we can be quiet and stay, pero ngayon pa lang po sinasabi ko sa inyo, mamaya pa sila lalabas because I am taking emotional scenes. Pag pinanood nyo ang pelikulang to, pag pinalabas, you will understand me how difficult the scenes are inside, which that's why I cannot make them go and say hi to you. But I can do that after, but quietly, otherwise they will all get mad at us.
Definitely.
Dami, nakaka-istorbo na po tayo, and they're getting mad at us, and maybe we will not be able to shoot here anymore, which we don't like, because I still need to finish the movie. And I hope you understand that, okay? We can do that if you'd be very quiet, and we take pictures in an orderly manner, without ruining our set. In fact, you're beyond what is allowed. Kanina po, nandun yung mga tao, ngayon andyan na po kayo. If we don't listen, if we don't keep quiet, we don't listen to them, you will leave here without seeing them, which I don't like. I would like to give that to you. The only chance to see them, right? But you have to follow instructions. So, kanina, I did it by batch. Hindi ko kayo pwedeng payagan solo lahat sa kanila. So for example, everyone from here to here, let's take a picture without shouting. Okay? Without coming here because we are not ours. Hindi po amin to. And the ones on the street, you really have to go. Nagagalit po sila. Sorry, sino ba yung nandyan? Sorry, the ones on the streets? Paano ba natin kasi mapapaano yun? Yeah, they have to be. Wala naman lang. Ayaw na lang para alis-alis na sila. Tama na yun? Bawal ka rin. Yeah! Hey! We made it!
Sitting sila sa COVID time.
Camera set?
Sorry, may naririnig na audio.
Oo nga eh. Dun,
Dali lang po, wait lang po.
And sound.
Quiet.
Motor.
Speed. Market.
Action! God.
So much better working. Cam cut.
Ay, pandemic. Pandemic mo. Certain ng
Tapos ano, mag-video ako, post ko sa TikTok ko. Sa stream din namin din.
You're so pretty.
Wait lang! Ano ko na kaya? Tapos sasabihin niyo po, Joy is here in Canada.
Balik na po.
Alam ko hindi ako ina-expect nyo. Ito. Hello. Love. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Uy, again!
Again. Hello again. Tinapat ulit sa hello again.
And again.
And again.